height. It's electric power steering. If you're looking for a 55, give us a call, make us an offer on this. Let's get this one in your garage. If you've got any questions, give us a call. We have online financing, nationwide transport, over 300 photos, all ClassicCarAddict.com.
Hey guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I got this brand new addiction for you. This is a 1955 Chevrolet 210, and it is the Post. It's got an LT1 in it. It's got a 4-speed automatic transmission. Ididit steering column. Hey, this thing is just awesome. Black carpet. It's got the red and white seats to match the exterior. And again, it's got the LT1 with the 4-speed, so this thing is ready to go. The firewall has all been smooth. It is just in great condition. What we're going to do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned. '55 Chevrolet 210 Corvette motor. Disc brakes, power steering, power brakes, all the good stuff. You can see here, it's just done really nice. Trim is in really good shape. It is an older restoration, so you will see a few of these little scratches, and there's a few little cracks in the paint. A little bit right there. Just want to show you everything for exactly what it is. I like how they smoothed and put this in to the fender. You can tell it was just a really nice job. And obviously it was done a little while ago. There are a few little scratches and cracks in there. You can see that. Other than that, it's actually really pretty good. There's a little bit also right there that you can see. Overall, we just like to show you exactly what the vehicles are so you know exactly what you're getting. Got nothing to hide here. See, the trunk is actually in good shape. It's actually got pretty good fitment as well. Glass is all in good shape. Again, just a little bit more over there than it is here. There's a little bit right there that you can see. Coming over here, and then again, a little bit right there. But overall, not horrible, but it does have a few things going on with it. And there's one right there with the hood. Want to point that out as well. And then just a little bit right there. But that's almost everything. I'll show you a few other things that you do get on the lower side, but overall, let's get into the rims. So tires are definitely a little bit older. They will need to be replaced before you do any heavy highway or even on the road at too fast a speed. You can see they're older tires and they got some dry rotting going on. 215, 65, 15, American Racing, front disc brakes. And you'll be able to see the undercarriage at the end of this video. Really good shape. I definitely like that. There's a little nick right there. Just, you know, obviously it's something that you can drive to the show. You don't have to have it be a trailer queen. 235, 55, 16 on the rear. American Racing. Through here. Everything's all really pretty good. A little bit in there, but those are good shape for sure. Definitely good shape. And then you can see there's a little bit going in right in there. Just want to show you everything with it. We have over 300 photos, so you can see all of those in full detail as well. So these are from 17 here in the rear. They're a little bit better than the ones in the front. And a little bit going on right there. but overall, actually really pretty good. Let's get into this front one. Again, it looks like these front are definitely a little bit older. I don't know the exact DOT for that, but the rear are in better shape with 17, but still a little bit older. Now let's show you under here in the hood. There we go. We got the good old LT1. And that's running nice and strong. Aluminum radiator. Does have power brakes, power steering, all the good stuff with that. Got some billet hinges there. And you can tell in here in the engine bay is in really good shape as well. 4-speed automatic transmission. This thing is ready to go. Let's get into the interior before we go on the test drive. And then looks like we got all matching in through here with the red and white. Those actually move really well. And then there we go with that. That works good. And let's show you the rear. So those actually go up and down, actually really pretty nice. I definitely like that. Let's see what that. Now we do got, so service engine light is on. That is with one of the sensors that was coming off. That is supposed to be off, right? But that is and will be fixed. We got to go through and see exactly what that is. I think it's the O2 sensor on the front is cutting and giving that signal because it's an immediate one and it's not off, but we will get to that. And then of course those are the Dakota Digital 1673 on the miles. And then we do antenna works. And speakers work as well with that. Got your Quicksilver B&M shifter that illuminates, lights up just like it should. Dome light works, all the good stuff. And there we go, see? So there, the service engine light did go off. So perfect. Yeah, now the one thing with the seats is that they are kind of peeling. These are an older Cadillac El Dorado from like a 2000. They are a little sticky. They want to sometimes, and then other times they don't. So they haven't been used enough to really go through on that. But good thing is that they do work. They just need used a little bit. That's the biggest thing. They do work both sides. But back seat is in really good shape. Again, this one's kind of peeling off right here. It's just a little bit, and that's what's got all that white stuff there. And let's get into the trunk. Show you that. Show you the fitment here too. Fitment's nice and good. Now the brake lights also, they are a little sticky. Just a couple things that I've been through on the car. Just want to kind of show you. So there's a whole bunch of parts in here as well, trim, different things that have been replaced. That's all the good stuff. But you can see, look at that. That is really good shape all in through there. And then under here is really good shape. So it is definitely in good shape. It is ready to go. And just a few little things that you can kind of play with and make it really nice. Or you can just drive the hell out of this thing. That's the biggest thing with that. Just drive it. Don't have to worry about it being a $200,000 car that's all perfect, because it looks really good. It really does. It's got a good show quality to it. Windows go up and down. All the trims there. I like it. Good color combination. And those seal up really good. And then, yeah, so those work really well. I always like that. That goes up and down. Nice. It's a little stiff, but nothing too crazy. Just needs lubed up just a little bit. You got Dakota Digital for your clock there as well. Dash is in really good shape, and then you can see also headliner is in really good shape. Do have a little bit of peeling kind of going on right there on the seat, but hey, get that leathered up, take this out to the show, be good to go. Let's get this fired back up, get in the test drive. Let's see if that service engine light wants to come on again. So, that's not on. I'll let you know if it comes back on. We'll see it at the end of this drive as well. It's been a little intermittent on there, but also the battery's been redone, and it might just be that it needs to reset itself. So, no seat belts. No seat belts. We'll see how this thing runs out. Horn works. I do know the lights work. Turn signals work. Yes, light did come back on. Yeah, I know there's one thing. So windshield wipers are not working. I think it definitely just needs to be drove. Consigner with this one did not drive the car anywhere near enough for it to really get out and go through. And we did some servicing for him, got it all ready, but it definitely needs to be drove to get some of the old gas out, get the new gas in. Transmission shifts out really nice. It holds really well. I mean, overall, you can see, I mean, the steering is nice and tight. It's electric power steering. That's what I really do like about this, is that the electric power steering is just so immediate, and that's with the brakes too. So it's just a really awesome thing that it has going on. Shifts out. Again, it just needs to be drove out. Thing is amazing. If you're looking for a 55, give us a call, make us an offer on this. Let's get this one in your garage. If you've got any questions, give us a call. We have online financing, nationwide transport, over 300 photos. Call classiccaraddict.com. Oh yeah, this one's ready. It just needs the bugs worked out. Oh yeah, thing drives great, it stops great, steering's great on it. This thing is definitely for you. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, we appreciate it. We do these videos to make sure that you know exactly what you're getting and what the vehicle is. Hope you enjoy it. See you guys on the next one. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the test drive. Now we're getting under this 1955 Chevrolet. Oh yeah, the good old Tri-Fi's. Now this one has your rack and pinion Flaming River. It also does have your tubular upper and lower control arms. And then also you've got your front sway bar transmission cooler for the 4L60E. The good infamous LT1 5.7 liter 350. And then going all the way through here, you've got an upgraded drive shaft, true dual exhaust. And this is also going back into your 10-bolt rear end with your sway bar. And this one is set up with drum in the rear. It does not have the disc, it does have the drum. But the good thing is it actually stops really well, as you saw. And then you can see here, the floor pans are in really good shape. They're a little dusty. Someone's had some fun with it for a while, but overall they are nice and dry. So you've got a really intact car here. And if you're looking for a Tri-Fi, this one is definitely for you. Give us a call. Classic Car Addict.